Disney is now moving forward with High School Musical 3. How excited are you?
I'm very excited. It's my favorite project to work on, and it's just so much fun. Every single time you go in, it's so, we're all like a humongous family, so it's exciting.
Have you talked to Zach since his operation?
Yes, I have. He's doing wonderful. He's doing great.
With the whole Britney thing, I mean, what are your thoughts on that, and how are you keeping it all going right?
We're all so different, and you grow up, different as well. I can't imagine having so much success, though, at such a young age. That is probably a lot of pressure, and it's really hard. I'm 22, so I've been through my teenage years, and I went to regular school, but, my parents have always kept me grounded. I had a very normal life, and I'm glad that I feel bad because I'm glad I could actually have the success now because I can handle it. I think a 16 or 17-year-old being the biggest pop star in America is probably really, really hard, so I feel for her, definitely.